Bindu, YouTube just read my mind. I opened it yesterday and boom, it suggests a podcast with Dr. Sid Warrior interviewing Saurabh Bothra. How does it know what I love?
Thrishul, that's insane. YouTube's like a psychic. I'm always watching K dramas, and it keeps suggesting perfect shows I didn't even search for. How does it do that? Is it like secretly learning everything about us? I'm sure you figured something out. Spill it.
Yes, Bindu, that's an AI recommendation engine at work. It uses machine learning to track your views, likes, and watch time, suggesting videos you'll love. It's like a smart friend who knows you. Pretty wild, right?
Thrishul, that's so cool. A smart friend picking my K dramas by watching my likes and views. I'm obsessed. Okay, how does this AI guess so well? Like, what's it doing behind the scenes to know exactly what I'll love next?
A recommendation engine doesn't just guess, it uses one or more smart algorithms to figure out what you'd like to see next. Content based filtering looks at your own activity and suggests similar content. Collaborative filtering compares you with other users who have similar tastes. Hybrid model combines both methods for even better recommendations.
Wow, that's actually fascinating. So you're saying YouTube isn't just randomly showing videos, it's actually using AI to learn what I like? And these filters, content based, collaborative, and hybrid, they're like little digital detectives working behind the scenes. I never thought of it that way. Makes total sense now. But can you break it down for me, step by step? Like, what exactly is YouTube doing when I watch something?
Sure, Bindu. Let me break it down step by step. Here's exactly how YouTube figured it out. Step 1. I searched for yoga videos. YouTube picked that up and started showing me all kinds of general yoga content. Simple enough. Step 2. I clicked on a few videos by Saurabh Bothra. YouTube noticed that I wasn't just interested in yoga. I liked Saurabh's specific style. So it started recommending more of his videos. That's called content-based filtering. It's based purely on my own viewing habits. Step 3. I kept watching more and more Saurabh Bothra videos. YouTube now gets it. Okay, this user loves Saurabh. So it doubles down and fills my homepage with more from him. Step 4. Now YouTube does something smart. It compares my behavior with millions of other users. Turns out, a lot of people who like Saurabh also watch Dr. Sid Warrior. That's where collaborative filtering kicks in. It's like, people like you also liked this other content. Step 5. So now, YouTube starts recommending me Sid Warrior's videos. And yep, they're right, I started watching those too. Step 6. At this point, YouTube knows, okay, this person likes both yoga and brainy stuff. Step 7. Then one day, boom, a podcast shows up on my feed. Dr. Sid Warrior interviewing Saurabh Bothra. That's a perfect use of the hybrid model, content-based plus collaborative, the best of both worlds. Step 8. I clicked on it immediately and started watching. YouTube nailed it. That's a recommendation engine working exactly as it should. So yeah, Bindu, it's not random. It's smart, it's layered, and it's learning from every move you make. That's machine learning in action, behind the scenes.
Okay, that's actually mind blowing, Thrishul. So YouTube isn't just reacting, it's learning from everything we do, what we search, what we watch, and even what others like us are watching. And the fact that it connects all those dots and then shows me something I didn't even know I want. That's next level smart. It really is like a digital best friend who just gets you, right? Now I'm curious. Is this the same tech behind Netflix and Amazon too?
Yep, Bindu, you nailed it. The same tech, recommendation engines powered by machine learning, is used by Netflix, Amazon, Spotify, even Instagram. So when Netflix says, because you watched, or Amazon shows recommended for you, that's the recommendation engine doing its job. They're all trying to predict what you'll enjoy next, based on your behavior and what similar users liked. It's why you often get hooked into a series or discover something new without even searching for it. Smart, sneak, and honestly super useful when it works right.
Thrishul, that's wild. So that's why Netflix keeps pushing those perfect K dramas like My ID is Gangnam Beauty on my way after I binge watch True Beauty. It's like the AI knows I'm all in for those heart fluttering romance plots and intense cliffhangers. And Amazon suggesting K beauty products out of nowhere? Sneaky, but spot on. It's kind of creepy how well it gets me, but I'm not complaining. My watch list is stacked thanks to this digital bestie. So, does this mean the more K dramas I watch, the smarter it gets at picking my next obsession?
Exactly, Bindu. The more K-dramas you watch, the sharper that AI gets at nailing your next binge-worthy show. It's like it's studying your vibe and fine-tuning those picks just for you. Pretty amazing how it keeps us hooked, right? I'm stoked to see what it recommends next for you. Maybe another epic K-drama, or even a hidden gem. All right, I'll let you wrap this up. Tell us what's next.
Wow, Thrishul, you've got me geeking out over how smart these recommendation engines are. They're like our personal K-drama curators, making sure we never miss a heart-pounding episode. Thanks for breaking it down. If you guys love this, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell us in the comments what cool stuff YouTube's been recommending you. See you in the next video. Keep binging those K-dramas.